Hi, I am Linda Carolina Carrillo. I am 12 years old and I'm going to answer the evidence the time is now from English.org 6. So, this is the audio file and I'm going to answer the first question. I study English by passion. Second, to gain knowledge. Third, the world is such a small place these days. Traveling on the internet, movies, television, etc. And everything is in English. So I think that I need English not just for notes, I think that is for everyday life. Fourth, for the people that don't know English. So I think that they also learn. The second point, this is the question and this is my answer. So I'm going to read. First, we can win many exams and homeworks in the school, university, between another things. When we are traveling on the internet, movies, television, etc., and everything is in English, so I think that I need English not used for everyday life. Third, it's the universal language. Fourth, I can understand more people than teachers or people that is in another continent that too speak English like me. Thanks for listening.